Okay guys, today we're going to do an unboxing and a review on Olight's i3t EOS. Now this is a everyday carry pocket size flashlight. It works off of a single AAA battery. I like that because you could run into any store and pretty much find those. These are the specs. You got two modes, a high and a low mode. The high being 180 lumens with a runtime of 21 minutes, and a low mode, which is 5 lumens with a 16-hour time limit. Now, I like Olight a lot because they give you a 5-year warranty on just about all of their products. If anything goes wrong with it, they'll pretty much replace it, and their customer service is fantastic. I've actually dealt with them personally, and they quickly got me a replacement. But let's go ahead and open this so we can show you this little light here. Also too, I'll be doing an outside night test to show you the two different modes and to show you how much it illuminates my backyard in the dark. So Olight ships all of its lights in these nice little boxes, and of course you get the instruction manual, but for the sake of time, let's go ahead and take this out. It's a really nice light, small, has some weight to it, which I really like. Olight ships all of its lights with a battery, and inside you have this little film that you need to remove before you can activate the light. So this one runs off of a single AAA battery. You also have a pocket clip that you can clip two different ways. And you have two modes. Let me cut out the lights here so you can see. So it's a momentary and locking tail switch. You have the first mode, which is 5 lumens. Click it again, off. Click it again. Starts off at that low mode. This is a momentary / locking tail switch, which means if you hold this button, put some pressure, it turns on, and if you fully press, it locks and your light is constant on. So you can press softly and it turns on, or you can full press and it turns on as well, but stays on. So as far as the two modes, when you turn it on, it goes to that 5 lumen low mode. Turn it off and turn it on real quick, and you got that 180. Now some people complain that they can't go straight to the high mode. They think they have to go to the 5 and then turn off and turn on real quick to go to the high 180 lumen mode. But I have found a way to quickly bypass that. And it's pretty common sense, but what you're gonna go ahead and do is quickly momentary double press that tail switch, and it's gonna go from low to high really quick. So it's like you start off in high mode. So let me go ahead and show you. Double tap. See? High mode. Low mode. Turn it off. Now double momentary tap to go to that instant high mode. What I mean by double tap is you simply press it quick twice. 1, 2, and then complete that press. Turn off. 1, 2, and then complete that press. Otherwise, you're just going to turn it on and it's going to be on low. And from low, you can access the high by quickly turning it off and on. So let's turn it off. Let's do that quick double tap again. 1, 2, and you're on that high. Takes a few tries to get the hang of it, but I pretty much have got it. 1, 2. Complete the click. 1, 2. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take this bad boy outside and show you how it does in the dark. Okay, so we're here in the backyard and we're going to test the i3t, and this is the first mode, which is 5 lumens. It's not very bright. It's good for like up close. Now we're going to test the high mode, which is the 180, and as you can see, it is significantly brighter. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is Olight's i3t EOS. And I forgot to mention that Olight produces these in a few different finishes and metals. This is the special edition red. This is the black on black that we just opened up and reviewed. And this is a special edition titanium body. I think it's a great little light to carry with you. It's a great pocket size, good to keep in your car in case you ever break down in the middle of nowhere at night. It's great when you're going out to walk your dog. It's a great little light overall, and I highly recommend it. Thank you, and please subscribe.